methods we did or only arrays we did?
Method, I think.
I'm launching. Let's check. Okay. I guess we did this one. Okay, we did yesterday these programs, I guess. So we'll start one next concept, everyone. I'll create a new class with a new package. One program thoroughly will try to understand. Concept is important here, okay? Simple program, I'll take rectangle. And I will write down here global variable means I'm not declaring this variable inside any method. Okay. Yeah. So I'm writing private int L comma B. I'm not writing I'm not writing this variable inside any method. I'm writing at the class level. So we will call this variables, this variable scope is global. Means you can access this to L comma B overall program anywhere. Only program, because it is a private, you cannot access outside the class. Second, these variables are non-static. So any class level variable or global variable is non-static. We can consider as instance variables. Okay, we will call it as what? Instance variables. Now I'm creating one method called public void area. And then I'm writing L into B. Area plus L into B. I declare variables. I declared one method which is multiplying L into B. Okay. So let's create one test class. You can even call the like you can test your method here only if you want. Let's test here only instead of taking new class. Now I want to execute this method, everyone. This method is what? Non-static. This method is non-static. If you write directly this area here, it will show error to us. Why? Because main method is static and area is non-static. You cannot call any non-static method inside static blocks. So in that way, we have to create object rectangle equal to new rectangle. REC dot area. I call the method. Now, whatever the answer is coming, that is the discussion for today. That is discussion for today.
Yeah.
Answer is 0. My
They're on
question,
sale.
why?
Usually they're $20. Oh no, why don't you? You got the 240 ones, right?
Oh,
We don't need milk
host
and we
can
don't need
only
eggs.
mute him. I
So
cannot.
please mute.
Okay, answer is 0. Area equal to 0. Why answer is 0? That is the question.
Because one is okay.
Why answer is 0?
Because 1 into B is 0. Because the B doesn't have any, don't give any output, right? Don't give any, what do you call it? Value. We don't give any value, right?
This is not 1.
Yeah, 1
This is
into
not
B.
1. This is L.
Yeah, 1 into B is
No, that is not 1. That is L.
N.
L.
Oh, L. Okay. Y M.
It's
So
looking like 1 for you.
Okay, 1 L B. Let me think.
Sorry, she's no more.
The answer is
ये
0.
किसका है? Oh my God, इन्हें केगा
Okay.
हो यार.
No, I don't know how.
L into B I gave. Now why the answer is 0? That is not 1. That is L and B. If we are multiplying L and B, answer we are getting 0. Why 0?
Yeah, that's I don't know. Can you explain?
चला दूसरा जल्दी.
Any other people can tell me why L and B is giving us the 0? Okay.
So
Fine.
Java is one. Always first letter is 0 there. Count 0, right? Maybe that's the reason.
No. See, whenever you create this one, whenever you have written this class reference, we call this one as class reference.
Yeah, last reference.
And this part, we called it as runtime object creation. Okay. This is called as class reference. This is called as runtime object creation. Now, whenever your program is getting compiled, your compiler is checking REC, means object. Inside this object, we have 2 variables and 1 method. So your compiler is checking that your object is initialized or not. Your variables is having values or not. So if your variables is not initialized, compiler is writing one special method for you. Internally, one method is written like this: public rectangle round brace. In that, it is writing L equal to 0, B equal to 0. So your REC L value is 0, REC B value is 0. And when you are running the program, this is not class, everyone. Till now, we learned class name, object name equal to new class name. Till now, we learned class name, object name equal to new class name. But that is still not class name. It is your method which is written internally by your compiler. This is the method which is not visible to our eyes. Internally, it is written. So whenever we are running, this method is getting invoked and it is doing this action. And then we are getting rec.area means this part. L into 0, L value is 0, B value is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Area equal to 0 you are getting. Understood? Hello?
Yes, understood.
So a method which is written by the compiler is special method.
So this
It is
is
a
the
special
construct.
method.
Samrin, this is
Yes.
constructor, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
A
as
special
soon as you
method
create
which
object,
is
default constructor will create, right? This is the default constructor.
yeah. So this special method name is constructor, which is used to initialize your object, a class level variables. Okay. Understood, everyone?
Yes. So if it's a different, like instead of being 0, let's say L was 2 and B was 3, it would be 6.
Yes. So this constructor is default constructor. See, when you do not write anything manually with your hands, internally when a constructor is invoking and it is giving you 0. When you don't want 0, you want to set your own values, then you have to write this constructor. This is called as this is called as user defined constructor. It is a custom constructor. Constructor without parameter. You are directly setting here. Let's say 10. Let's say 20. Run as Java application. Okay. Area equal to 200. Understood? This is our own constructor. Now, can anyone tell me constructor is a method? Area is also method. Can you tell me what is a difference? Like how it is different from this one? Can you just see and tell me?
Yeah, I can tell you. You want me to tell?
Yeah.
Constructor method should be name as it is like class name, and the constructor, there are 3 type of constructor. The default constructor, as soon as you create object, it's automatically.
Dear, I'm
by default.
asking,
Uh-huh.
whatever the points you are telling, it's correct. I'm asking difference between this one and this one list out.
Parameterize, this is method and this is constructor. So constructor name should be as it is like a class name, right? And
Very
this
good.
is, yeah. And what else different?
And the constructor is also create like your object, instant object.
By seeing both the thing, I don't want any book definition. I want इसमें
And-
और इसमें क्या difference है?
This is a parameterized constructor. Other one is a
Huh?
No, this is
No
not parameterized.
parameters.
Yeah,
Here
Tamanna,
also no
No, no, no,
parameters.
no parameter.
No, not parameter. It's but you said you gave value, right? But
I gave
I
value
think this
inside.
one is a method. The upper one, public void array. This is the method, and this is the public rectangular is the constructor is the same as the create from class. And this constructor is create the object, is main method inside the main method.
a constructor
Hmm.
used to initialize a object, but this this one is default constructor, right? That's why
Is a copy constructor, I think.
default. This is default.
Before.
And there are three type of
confused.
constructor. One parameterized, one no
Default.
argument, and one default. This is default because she output.
Shall
This
I
is
tell everyone?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
go.
want any book definition.
no, no,
I'll
no.
tell
I
you.
know what it
See,
is,
I
but
don't
this is-
have any knowledge. Let's think I don't have knowledge. I asked simple question. By seeing this one and by seeing this one, what is the difference you found? First, this
Yeah,
is
this
a area. This is a rectangle. I can write here sum also, no problem. It is not creating any problem. Correct?
Yeah,
If I change here something, like let's remove E, immediately error is coming. That
Yeah.
means 1 point. I can give this name as any name, user
Yeah.
defined. कुछ भी name दे सकते हैं आप. You know, area, sum, my name, your
But,
name, it will accept.
but
this
no
one-
class name. You cannot.
Only class name. So
Yeah.
first difference. This is a method. Method name can be anything. This is a constructor. Constructor name should be same as class name. First
yeah.
difference I found. Second difference. It is void. Here we have not even written void.
Yeah.
We can write here integer, character, string, something. But here I cannot write anything. So second
That is it.
difference.
Mhm.
Methods
Mhm.
will have 100% mandatory to write return type. Constructor will not have any return type.
Different type. Yeah, that's
Understood?
yeah.
This is the two difference which I'm expecting. Rest all the same. Here it can
No,
be
I'm not-
public. This also can be public. This can also protected. It can also be
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
protected.
But no, I know
Only
that.
two difference.
Yeah, two different. But
Can you tell the last one? What is the difference? Which one is not written type?
Area is having a return type, right?
Return
Void is
type,
a
yeah.
meaning of nothing.
Oh,
Return
yes,
type.
got
place.
it. Okay. Now I got it.
If I write here void also, now see warning symbol will come.
yeah,
Yellow color. You know why? What is the warning? Your compiler is saying this method is having constructor name. Your compiler is treating this one as what?
constructor.
Method. No, this one as method. It is treating this one as method. That's the
Oh,
reason we are
because of-
getting a warning.
Void. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now I understand. Public void area, that one is method you are mentioned before, like you are putting method inside rectangular.
No. Method has a
Constructor.
return type, but constructor doesn't have return type. Constructor name should be as it is public, then class name.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are two different. No, I'm not saying by reading, but I know what is it. Yeah, constructor doesn't have any return type. That's
Understood?
why-
Now, user-defined constructors are of two types. One, without parameter. The other one is with parameter. Means whenever you are writing constructor, you can even pass with parameter. I will just comment this without parameter. And now I'll write with parameter. Here I can write int len, comma int bre. I can take any variable. These are local. this value I will copy under L. BRA. Okay. Constructor with parameter. Now, immediately we got one issue at the 28th line. Can everyone observe that? 28.
Yeah. Because you are saying this one, because parameterized constructor, right? We don't need to create an object.
So listen carefully. Whenever we write our own constructor, see, previously what happened, 0, 0 came. Why? Because we did not give L value, we did not give B value, and we have not written any constructor. So compiler has written that one. We got 0 and 0. Now in this case, what happened? I wrote my own constructor. And then compiler is saying, if programmer, if you are writing your own constructor, sorry, I will not invoke my own constructor. Got it? See, if Tamanna is providing a solution, there is no sense for me to provide again solution, correct?
Yeah.
So compiler is saying, programmer, if you have written the constructor, why should I waste my energy to write the constructor again? That's the reason we are getting here error. Now, why the error is coming? Because this constructor need 2 integer values. And did I pass any integer value here?
No.
No, that's the reason. See, error, undefined. The constructor rectangle with the round braces undefined. So I will say, okay, I will pass something 5 and 6. Control S. Right click. Run as Java application.
Oh, okay.
In one class, you can maintain multiple constructors as well, but signature should be different. No error. You can create n number of objects. N number of objects, rectangle 2, and you can don't pass here any value. Second constructor will invoke constructor with parameter, without parameter. See? So whenever you see in one class, if we have more than one